Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can I give feedback to Trust Wallet about different criterias of the application. Now in order to do that, just simply open Trust Wallet, and after opening Trust Wallet, unlock it by putting your biometric or passcode. Then you just simply have to tap to the setting option into the top left corner. And now after going into there, you will get to see this option of support. After scrolling down a bit, tap to support option, and then you will get this support section into your DApp browser. Now you just simply have to choose any of the suitable option from here. You can choose bug bounty, token coin informations, and many more. You can also select if you want to understand any of the app feature and assets. Then after that, you can also report the problem from here. If you want to give a plain suggestions, you just simply have to tap to I have a suggestion option. Just simply select any of these options, and after that you can give suggestions to the related point. This way you can easily give suggestions and feedback to Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.